Hello people, how are we? I hope we're well. Welcome back to the channel Into Tech. Today I'm going to be showing you firstly where to get some free Discord emojis and then how to upload them to your server. Right, so the first thing you need to do, go to your browser of choice and search discord.st. Now it should appear right at the top of the search results like it has mine, but if it doesn't I will leave a link in the description down below to make it easier for all you guys. Once you're on the Discord Street website, you will see a Discord emojis menu at the top. Click on it. There you will see all the different emojis the site has to offer. Just look through them, see what ones take your fancy, or you can search for specific ones in the search bar. As you can see, I wanted some Discord emojis for my bots and mods, so I searched them, clicked on the ones I wanted, then clicked on download. Once the emojis that you chosen have been downloaded to your computer, head on over to Discord and go on the server you'd like to upload them to. Once you've opened the server you want to upload the emojis to, go up to the top left hand side, click on the little drop down arrow and click on submenu server settings. Once you've done that, hit emoji, upload emoji, then in your downloads file you should have the ones that you've just downloaded. Click on the one you'd like to upload and you're done. Repeat the process if you'd like to add any others. With your new emojis uploaded, hit exit, go to one of your channels. Here you can click on the little smiley face. There you will see your new emojis ready to use on your server. Right, so that's how you can upload some free emojis to your Discord server. I do hope you found this video helpful today. If so, please do consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next one.